This is why you need FairPlayTube in your creator toolkit. It's not just a platform, it's your secret weapon for content success. Built on cutting-edge tech like Blazor and .NET, FairPlayTube offers lightning-fast, responsive applications. Say goodbye to tedious thumbnail creation, our AI does it for you. Select from various styles for that professional look effortlessly. Manage your content seamlessly with features designed to minimize tech headaches and maximize creativity. Plus, with our future-proof design, you'll always have the latest updates and security enhancements. FairPlayTube's automatic translation means your content reaches a global audience without the hassle. And the admin control? Customize everything from AI prompts to localization, your platform, your rules. Monetization is a breeze with built-in payment systems and PayPal integration. More revenue, less fuss. Join our open-source community and watch your content soar. FairPlayTube, modernizing the way you create and connect. Ready to level up? Let's go.